Hey everyone! Today I'm checking out the SONOFF NSPanel Pro Gen 2, and the big question is it actually worth your money? On paper, it's a smart home control panel that replaces a wall switch, giving you a touchscreen hub for lights, scenes, cameras, and more. In real use, setup is pretty straightforward if you're already in the SONOFF ecosystem or using EWE Link. The screen is responsive, and controlling devices feels quick and surprisingly smooth for the price. I especially liked using it as a central dashboard for my living room lights and automations, though it does feel a bit limited if you're deep into more advanced smart home platforms like Home Assistant. Pros: clean design, easy installation, and a solid all-in-one control experience. Cons: it can feel a little locked into SONOFF's ecosystem, and power users might want more flexibility and deeper integrations. Overall, if you want a simple, stylish smart wall panel without overcomplicating things, the NSPanel Pro Gen 2 is a solid pick for most homes. Let me know if you'd like a full setup walkthrough or comparison with other smart panels.